What's up guys, Arel here with You Get Tech, and we are here in Malaysia checking out the new Black Shark 2 Pro. So without any further ado, let's go and test this thing out. The Black Shark 2 Pro is quite similar to its predecessor. For a gaming-focused phone, it remains stealthy looking, but with the addition of several customizable RGB LED lights. For ports, you get the USB Type-C, and sadly, there's no headphone jack. You also do get a dual SIM card support, but unfortunately, there's no expandable storage option. On the left side of the device, you get your volume up and down buttons, and on the right side of the device, you get your power button, and up top, you get that slider for shark space, which will enter gaming mode, which is kinda like another interface of your phone, but more focused in gaming. For biometrics, you get an in-display fingerprint scanner which unlocks your phone in a snap, and a facial recognition one. Though this is not as secure as Face ID, but still it unlocks your phone fast. Up front, it does have an amazing 6.39-inch FHD Plus AMOLED display, with not 90Hz and not even 120Hz, but a 240Hz refresh rate. Overall, the display looks really sharp. Since it is an AMOLED display, you get a deeper blacks with rich colors, and it's definitely bright enough for outdoor use. Another nifty feature of the display is that it is actually pressure sensitive, which can be very helpful for gaming. You can map it to do certain things in games, for example, firing your weapon in PUBG or attacking one in Mobile Legends. Checking out hardware, it's got the best of the best, not just for gaming, but for overall performance. For it does have the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus octa-core CPU that clocked at 2.96 GHz, and an Adreno 640 GPU and an 8GB or up to 12GB of RAM. Playing games on this thing is really remarkable. I mean, with the performance coupled with the high refresh rate display, it is really quite an experience. Now, if you have concerns about this device overheating after a certain extent of high performance tasks, Black Shark has anticipated that because the device actually uses liquid cooling technology. Powering this device is a 4000 mAh battery with fast charging support, which according to Black Shark, fast charging time will not be affected even while the device is in use. Now for cameras, we get 48 megapixel plus 13 megapixel rear cameras and a 20 megapixel front-facing one. From the looks of it, the images shown in the presentation were quite promising. The Black Shark 2 Pro will set you back at 2,499 Malaysian Ringgit for the 8GB of RAM plus 128GB of internal storage. Or you can get the fully spec'd out version which can cost you at 2,999 Malaysian Ringgit for the 12GB of RAM plus 256GB of internal storage. So, what do you guys think about the Black Shark 2 Pro? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon to get notified for future uploads. And be sure to visit yougettech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Arel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.